Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with geopolitical updates, global markets. Now, after the US has striked Iran ship, the Brent crude has shot up. Now it's at $97.8, and from that time it has shot up to $4.7 per barrel. But however, it is below $100. Still, there is a hope that the peace treaty between the USA and Iran will be signed very shortly. So because of which, look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, however, closed in 118 points negative, but look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq closed at 519 points positive. S&P 500 closed at 45 points positive. Well, look at shares like IT, look at shares like AI, chip making companies. In specifically, look at Micron stocks. After it surged $1 trillion market cap and closed at $863 UBS is projecting its price to go double by the end of the year, surpassing $1.8 trillion mark. That's what UBS is expecting. So this type of bull run, what is happening in America, in AI companies, in chip making companies, is magnificent. If that will happen in India, that will be like out of this world, right? But our IT stock is struggling, our IT company is struggling, is not at all able to make that much effort towards the AI companies. Let's see, only time can tell. Well, FII in previous session they sold close to 2,400 crores, and DII they bought close to 1,661 crores. Now, Asian markets are mostly flat to positive. However, if you look at Nikkei is up by 800 points, Kospi is up by 286 points. So very positive from Asian markets. On the other hand, SGX Nifty is showing a flat opening, close to 9 to 10 points negative. Let's see where the pre-market settles. Now, as I discussed, the Brent crude is now below $100 per barrel, but it has shot up 4.74% from yesterday. INR, if you look at rupee, is now at 95.68 rupees per dollar. It is still at higher levels. However, there are some good news that are coming, that our finance minister is open to talk about the FIA taxation data numbers, long-term corporate gain tax. So these all things is very positive. If those things news come out, then the rupee will definitely go in a correction phase. So I'm expecting below $85. If rupee will go below $85, it will be very positive. Now let's go to our market. Yesterday Nifty and Bank Nifty. However, if you look at Nifty even opened at gap up, right? But from there we corrected and we closed day low. Even in yesterday low, Monday low, we broke and we closed below that. So like I said yesterday, to keep the stop loss below yesterday low, and that was hit. So even I exited from my long positions. However, 23,800 is going to be the strong support for Nifty. So if market will come close to 23,800, then definitely go for long positions and keep a stop loss of below 23,800. Similarly on Bank Nifty, 54,100. If in Bank Nifty 54,100 comes, then go for a long positions at those levels and keep a stop loss of 150 points from those levels. Now ONGC came out with results, very good results in ONGC, and there is no numbers of 50-50 today and tomorrow. On 29th there are numbers of Asian Paints and Indigo Aviation. So these two companies are coming out with results. After this, the result season will be over for Nifty 50. So result season is almost coming to an end, and these are the important levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope you have learned a lot. I hope you have taken the notes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye and take care.